Most people haven't even seen Off-White Air Max 97s in person, let alone brought back from the dead. These came in from Singapore, with crumbling midsoles and air units, straight from the factory. It's a known flaw, but still crazy to see in hand. Off camera, I sourced a donor pair, fully disassembled them, then repainted the midsoles to match that natural yellowing that's developed over time. Not too clean, not too forced, just right. After that, I bonded everything back together to bring these back to life. At Restore Kicks, we don't only restore the shoes, but more importantly, the stories within them.